So if I mention the name Huawei to you, you're going to think of amazing smartphones. Exactly. What if I told you that Huawei actually made laptops and they took all of that hardware ingenuity and they brought it to those laptops? Today we're going to be unboxing the Huawei MateBook D14. So let's go check it out. Okay, so that's it, the Huawei MateBook D14. As you can see in the box, you get the laptop. You also get a power brick, we'll have a look at that later, and a charging cable. So let's actually go ahead and open it up. Good. It actually feels sturdy, but not too heavy. It feels a lot lighter than, say, a MacBook Pro. Just have a look at all of the ports over here. You can see we've got a USB-C port, we've got a full-size USB and an HDMI cable, and then on this HDMI port we've also got a full-size USB port and yep, headphone jack. So that's pretty cool to see. Let's see, there's a nice grips on the feet underneath. I'll just get rid of that. I like this. So the Huawei MateBook D has actually an AMD Ryzen powered device. That's AMD Ryzen 5, so not Intel, and it's actually got AMD Vega 8 graphics. You can have a look and check out how good that is. And then in terms of battery life, where this comes in, it's got a 56 watt hour battery, and you can actually get 46% battery life using this charger because it's 65 watts. And the best thing about this is you can actually use this on your Huawei phone and top it up, which I think is fantastic. Now, as I said, 14-inch display. You can have a look there. You can see how thin this actually looks. Looks pretty good. It's got minimal bezels, so you've got a nice full view display. And one of the best things that I love about this is this power button. It's actually also a fingerprint scanner, which is pretty awesome. Trackpad is a nice big size. Keys feel nice and clicky. It feels really good. And you'll notice there's a sticky here that says Huawei Share, which is where this comes in. So if you've got a Huawei device, you can actually just use Huawei Share and share files immediately between your phone and your device, which is pretty phenomenal as far as I'm concerned. But yeah, that is the Huawei MateBook D14.